tied the yak to my waist, and I'm just gonna stand here and wade fish until this wind lays down a little bit, if it does at all. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna drift on down to that boat and see what they're doing. Yep. Frickin' boaters!
Tim had him going on both rods at one time. I was laughing at it.
That happens every time. Every time you're on this boat.
Limit-headed sharks.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that.
What? When?
The limit-headed sharks last time we sat here.
Bonnie heads.
Bonnie.
Not this time.
Oh, no. This time it was redfish.
There's no... Really? 2 reds?
Yeah.
At once?
Yeah, dude. I mean, like, I'm telling you, it was like, wow! I was like, what the heck?
Yeah, I haven't had a topwater bite in months, so I figured, what the hell. This is supposed to be the time. I'm gonna stay out here. Yesterday, I don't know if you saw the pictures, the sky was just gorgeous.
Nice.
So I'm fixing to see that again. But at least, you know, the wind laid down. It'll be an easy paddle back.
Yeah, you'll be all right.
Yep.
I'll call you when I get back on shore
Okay.
to let you know we made it.
I'll send you a text to let you know the same.
Absolutely.
Could you pass me that beer?
Oh,
Thank you.
oh. Poor guy.
Oh,
Oh,
sorry, I've been drinking.
been drinking. Paddling, drinking.
Drinking and paddling.
Oh, look at that big fish right there. Just swirled the water.
Mm-hmm.
Magic hour right in here for Marty. You know it is.
Yep. You need to get a life for that thing so that you can stay out here. Tell you what. There you go, chartreuse topwater. Ah, that's, oh.
See that?
I was gonna say it starts right up. Stop digging up my grass. Frickin' boaters. That super spook walks through that water so nice. I'm about to jump out of the boat and eat it myself. God, you look good. Pretty lure. So I got a hook up today with a suspended lure and with some live bait. That's pretty cool. But I sure as heck would like to see another topwater explosion. I haven't seen one in a long time. Those are my favorite. Oh. Boy. I just spooked something with it. This is supposed to be the best time to do it. Well, sun up and sun down. Maybe a big trout will jump up and grab it. Thought something was following it. Maybe not. There are a ton of mullet around here. There's got to be some reds and trout mixed in. Well, when the fishing trip is over and you're heading back, that's definitely the worst part of fishing. That's when you start doing the one more cast. Wait, just one more cast. Wait, let me just throw over there. Ooh, I think I saw something over there. Let me throw over there. Okay, 10 more casts, and then I'll leave it. 10 more. Unless I see something, and then I'll throw again. Oh, I saw something. Oh, see that? Okay, 10 more casts from now. And 9 more. Unless I lose count. Why is it gotta be so beautiful out here? I don't want to leave. What a difference from this morning. Look at how the water's laid down, huh? That's a reminder of what's to come in the spring and early summer, and that crazy topwater bite. That's gonna be fun. I've been working suspended lures, soft baits and jigs and stuff for so long now. I've forgotten what it's like with the topwater lure. Seeing that thing go through the water, you're like breathless, waiting for the explosion to happen. It's like a potential for violence the entire time. It's been months since I've gotten anything on top water. I don't really have any reason to believe that something is going to bite it right now, but still I'm on the edge of my seat. Excited there for a second. Buddy Steve out there. Look at that. Pretty nice, huh?